Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Dorkies here, and today we've got something super exciting to dive into. We've got a new bike on the block for 2026 and it's none other than the Kawasaki KX450. If you're into dirt bikes, motocross, or just love learning about the latest in two-wheel tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to go deep into the details of the 2026 Kawasaki KX450, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the latest updates and reviews from us. Alright, let's get into it. Kawasaki has been a major player in the dirt bike world for decades, and they've been consistently delivering high-performance bikes. The KX450 in particular has always been one of their flagship models in the motocross scene. Whether you're racing or just riding for fun, the KX450 has been the go-to choice for many riders, and for 2026, Kawasaki has taken this beast to the next level. The engine is a 449cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder unit. What's exciting about this new version is that Kawasaki has refined the power delivery. The new KX450 engine features a more responsive power band, designed to give you more control and better performance across all rev ranges. The engine has been tuned to provide a smoother transition from low to mid-range power, which is going to be a big plus for riders who want to tackle technical sections of the track. Next up, let's talk suspension. When you're riding a motocross bike, the suspension is critical, especially when you're dealing with jumps, ruts, and bumps. The KX450 is equipped with a Showa 49mm coil spring fork and a Showa rear shock. These suspension components have been optimized for 2026, with settings designed for better absorption of high-speed bumps and a smoother, more controlled ride. Kawasaki has made significant improvements to the fork's damping settings, allowing for better handling and more predictable control in tough conditions. The rear shock has also been reworked for better stability in the corners and when landing from jumps. If you're looking to push your bike to the limits on the track, these upgraded suspension components are going to make a world of difference. The KX450 uses a highly rigid yet lightweight aluminum perimeter frame. This frame offers a perfect balance of stiffness and flexibility, which helps improve overall handling. The new chassis is designed to provide a more precise feel when cornering and when navigating through technical sections of the track. It's also lighter, which improves maneuverability and reduces fatigue over long rides or races. Of course, performance isn't just about power and suspension. It's also about how well you can stop the bike and grip the track. For 2026, Kawasaki has improved the braking system on the KX450, making it more responsive and consistent. The KX450 comes with a large 270mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, both designed to provide excellent stopping power even in the most demanding conditions. As for the tires, Kawasaki continues to work closely with top-tier tire manufacturers to equip their bikes with high-performance rubber. The KX450 comes with Bridgestone Battlecross X30 tires, which are perfect for a variety of track conditions. These tires offer excellent grip, especially in loose or sandy conditions, and they provide solid traction on hard-packed dirt as well. And as always, if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews, news, and deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.